Hello everyone, this is Vidyasagar from SATTVA Group Private Limited. Uh, Thank you for our management to conduct a training program by CMTI Construction Management Training Institution. In this, I will like to thank you to Prem sir and Prashant sir and Ashok sir, who they are sharing the education knowledge to young engineers by topics of project management and vastu and what are the bylaws and other things that we are gaining the knowledge from them, and they are giving the knowledge of ongoing projects and by in the deep. This is my feedback. Thank you.